to make a very unique base for my coffee table, and looking online, nothing quite stood out to me. So I decided to make my own. I'm using 1-inch steel squared tube here, and I'm just roughly breaking it down with an angle grinder. To mark the precise angles, I used a carbide scribe, which makes a very thin line that is still very easy to see. From there, I used my border band, but unfortunately, it had other ideas. So yeah, I had to go get a new blade. Alright, now that we're back in business, I can make the rest of the cuts. And even a belt sander can be used with steel as long as you have some high quality belts. I'm going to warn you now, I'm going to be welding, so just don't watch this at 3 AM in a pitch black room. I just used a MIG welder here, which worked perfectly for this application. I then had to grind the welds flat to weld the other 2 legs on. I went on to use a angle die grinder to remove the mill scale and weld spatter. And even though my welds looked alright, I decided to clean them up a bit with a carbide burr. Alright, onto the paint. I put on 2 coats of primer before 2 coats of matte black. However, last minute I decided to add some leveling feet, which just added a exquisite aesthetic. So I did have to repaint basically the entire thing. To attach the base to my tabletop, I used the C-channel I inlaid into my table previously. So all I had to do was grind off the powder coat and tack it on. I only tacked it in a few places to avoid warping the C-channel, and with a new coat of paint and a few coats of clear coat, it was finished. If you guys want to see how I made this coffee table top from 120-year-old barnwood, definitely stick around because I'll be posting that in the near future. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a great day.